Hey guys, what's up? It's Nicole Faulkner, aka LipstickNick, Morphe's Director of Global Artistry. I'm gonna show you guys the new Gleamcatcher Illuminator. I love these highlighters because they're buildable, they're silky, they're ultra illuminating, and you can use them on their own, or you can mix it with all of your favorite cream and liquid products. These Gleamcatcher Illuminators come in 3 different shades. We have Moonbeam, First Light, and Rising Star. So these actually are not color specific to different skin tones, but it is kind of nice that they come in a light, a medium, and a deep. So I'm gonna take the shade Moonbeam, which is the lightest shade. It's more of like a pinky kind of pale tone. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this onto my palette and add that to some high points. So I'm gonna tap it right at the apples and then take my finger and pat it in. I just love the extra little bit of glow that it gives to that mousse. The two blend really well together. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. We can't wait to see all of the beautiful looks you guys create using these new Morphe 2 products. Make sure you guys share them with us on social media using our hashtag Morphe2. See you guys next time.